everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are back in my kitchen and we are going to make these absolutely gorgeous and succulent pork chops Filipino style. But before that, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. Click the notification bell so you get notified every time I have a new video. And give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends. It will help my channel immensely and it's going to help me keep making videos for you every week. For the marinade, we're going to be needing soy sauce, ketchup, lemon, onions, garlic, freshly ground black pepper, and my secret ingredient, Sprite. I have here about 500 grams of pork steak. I've washed it and I patted it dry. Now we're going to marinate this one. If you notice there's a little bit of fat around the edges, it's absolutely fine. It's perfect because once you cook it, the fat will just melt away and your steak is going to cook in its own fat. So let's start our marinade. Okay, so we need garlic. We just need half of the lemon. Next thing we need a tablespoon of ketchup. Then we need 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, freshly ground black pepper, we just need about half a teaspoon or quarter of a teaspoon, I mean. Then I'm going to put a teaspoon of sugar, that's brown sugar. Then the Sprite. The Sprite or the 7-Up is going to help tenderize the meat. It's always best if you can marinate the meat overnight in the fridge. But since I'm having it now, I'm only going to marinate it for about 3 hours. Let's put about quarter of a cup of the fizzy drink and then we'll taste it. Don't worry, I'll drink the rest. Don't worry, we're not going to eat the garlic and the onions in it. We're just going to use the aromatic of the garlic and onions for the marinade. Then it's going to be discarded. Now we're going to put it in the fridge for at least a couple of hours. Voila! There you go, guys. Special pork chop, Filipino style. I'm serving it with slices of tomatoes and cucumber. I also made mango and onion salad. And traditionally, you have to serve it with freshly steamed rice. If you prefer chips, then by all means, please do. Enjoy! Kain po tayo! Let's try it. Actually, I don't have to cut it very much because it's nice and tender. Try it. Mm. 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 No, I didn't make my sausawan today, but I think I'm going to. I have here sausawan. Sausawan is what we call dipping sauce. And this is lemon, soy sauce, chili pepper, black pepper, and sugar. Oh. And dip. Mm. I haven't had pork in a while, and so I am enjoying this so much. This is actually perfect for barbecue, but since it's raining, I can't really do any barbecue outdoors, so I decided to just pan fry it, and it's still perfect. It's still really good as it should anyway, but you know when you put it in a barbecue, in a cold barbecue, and then there's a little bit of charred part of the meat. That is my favorite because then it caramelizes the meat and it's fat. So oh, nevertheless, it's still very good even if you pan fry it. So I hope you try this one, give it a go, and let me know what you think and how you get on. And include this in your barbecue this weekend, this bank holiday weekend, and I promise you, you'll never regret it. You might be wondering, where's my taste tester? The husband is not going to be able to taste it because he can't eat pork. So it's all mine. Good for me. So give it a go, guys, and let me know what you think. But before you go, remember to subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. And while you're there, click the notification bell so you get notified every time I have a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. So good.